It's Friday and we about to brunch and hit the beach. Let's go. With y'all, so it's Friday, y'all. We playing hooky. We ain't going to work. Nah, I'm not playing hooky. I worked this morning. I'm up at 4 in the morning, so you know I got early morning clients and shit. But anyway, we playing hooky. I'm about to go to brunch with the Ogaros. We about to hit the beach. We about to live it up, y'all.
I thought y'all was gonna be at the beach already.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Uh-oh. The Ogaros.
Waters, and then I'll take your order.
That looks terrible.
Brittany, get up.
It looks good. It's a burrito.
Whatever it is, they look trash.
I recommend it, okay? I'm happy. Shit. Ain't nothing like some, so what's in the breakfast shop?
So it's whiskey, butterscotch schnapps, and orange juice. So it kind of tastes like a little like pancake kind of thing.
I definitely.
Cheers.
This is a perfect vlog kind of music.
Hell yeah. How you feeling, bro?
I'm with the vibes.
Nah, $75 off. So our beach day is over. That's it. We gonna catch an Uber. We gonna head back. We might hit a bar later. I'm gonna take y'all with me, so don't even worry about that. Had a couple of drinks. Feeling nice, but it's definitely very hot outside right now, but the water is freezing. No matter how many drinks you have, the water is still cold. But we out of here.